Guys, so today I'm going to be showing you how I install my wig. So this is my first hair video, so be nice. This is definitely geared towards beginners, but if you guys have any tips for me that you feel like, you know, I should be doing or I'm doing wrong, definitely leave them in the description box. Like, let's help each other out. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to see more videos from me. And yeah, let's just see how I did this.
Before I get started, I just want to show you guys how I basically modified my wig cap. So you know that little, I'm showing you guys that little flap under the wig cap. I basically cut the extra fabric away so it basically looks flatter on my head. I can never find a wig cap that completely matches my skin, so I'm just applying some powder all over my wig cap. And I like to use a neutral powder. I don't use anything orange because when you use orange stuff, it just does not look good. Like, no. So make sure you use something that's more neutral when applying it on your wig cap or even on the lace. That is like key.
Before I commit to like putting the wig in my head, I always like to map it out. So I put the wig on and I kind of move it up and down to basically find the right positioning. My hairline is kind of weird. I have a Cupid's bow, so like the center is like, I don't want to say thinner, it's more sparse, and then the sides are like thicker. So I keep my wig farther back to basically make it look more natural and just kind of like mimic my hairline, if that makes any sense. So I personally like using the Got To Be Glued spray over the gel. I had a really bad experience with the gel, so I'm not ready to mess with that again. And then after I finish like spraying the section, I use my blow dryer on cool. I don't use heat, I just use cool. Okay, so now for the fun part, well, the part that scares most people. We're going to be spraying the hairline. I like to spray the hairline and then I like to make a part and then spray behind the hairline. I got this trick from Pisces Finest. If you guys haven't heard of her, definitely check her out. And that's what really keeps my wigs lasting a full week. So while I'm drying my hair on cool, remember I use cool. So I like to take one of those rat tail combs to just make sure my lace is laying flat on my head, because you know we want our lace to be flat. So like I told you guys before, I like to basically make a part and then spray behind the hairline because it keeps the wig secure. So yeah, I'm just showing you guys that step right now, and then after that I'm just blow drying it again on cool heat. Now I'm just applying my wrap just to make sure it lays the way it's supposed to. I usually leave it in for about like maybe 5 to 10 minutes, maybe 20. So I'm just taking a tiny bit of water on my edge brush and just like kind of brushing it on my edges a little bit. Not on the lace, on the actual hair, just to kind of loosen up my baby hairs because, you know, I want to do my baby hairs and they're covered in hairspray. So yeah. Okay, so now we're going to be doing our edges. So I like to use the foam first. I get mine from Cream of Nature or the Argan Oil one. I'm not really sure. I don't know how people are able to basically just put foam and have their edges last. I'm not one of those people. I need some type of gel or something to hold it. So I'm going in with my Gorilla Snot. Honestly, I don't have time to be doing my edges every single day. Like, I need something that will last. So that's why I just prefer the Gorilla Snot over just using foam. Yeah, and then I made a big mistake. I decided to spray my edges with the Got To Be spray before I added the wrap again. I don't know why I did that because I never do it. I usually just do the gel and it works perfectly fine. But when I did that, it actually made the wrap become like stuck to my head. So then I had to apply water to like remove it, which is kind of annoying. But I mean, I got most of it out, but lesson learned, I'm never doing that again. I was trying to be cute for the video and experiment, and it didn't work out. So this brush I'm using from Sally's is a game changer. I love it. I honestly didn't even need to use the hot comb, but you know, got to be extra, so I use a hot comb anyway. It actually works really well making your hair look flat and not like bumpy looking. And then I decided to flat iron my hair because my hair was looking crazy. Like, it needed to be washed, but I had somewhere to go, so I just installed it so I could just leave. But yeah, I flat ironed it on 450 because I needed it to look extra cute, though I only did like 2 pieces. But yeah. I overplucked a little bit over here, so I'm just going to add some dark powder to fix that, and then I'm just gonna add some concealer like over here because I mean it looks pretty natural. I really don't need to, but I can kind of see the wig cap a little bit over here, so just adding some powder will help. I'm also adding a little powder on the sides just to make it match my skin even more. I like using powders over concealers because I feel like concealers make it look fake, but whenever I add powders, I just like the look a lot better. Now I just have to correct like this little part because it does not look cute at all. All right, so I like to use this Becca palette because the colors are pretty neutral. Hopefully this is dark enough because his hair is pretty black. My natural hair is like a lot browner, but oh, it's working. Okay, I think that looks good. I did make a lot of mistakes because I haven't done this in so long. For me, I could do something like, I'd say every day for a month, but if I don't do it for like 2 weeks, then I kind of forget. So that's kind of what happened with this. Like, I haven't installed a wig in a while. I'd say like for a month now. So I was kind of rusty. If you guys want to see more hair videos from me, I might do it, I don't know, because I'm not that confident in my hair abilities, but I will do it if you guys want me to do them. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.